Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ConvertKit landing pages for email capture step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the ConvertKit website. Log in to your ConvertKit account. Once logged in, click on the Landing Pages and Forms option from the dashboard. Select the Landing Pages tab to view your existing landing pages. To create a new landing page, click the Create New button. Browse through the available templates and choose one that suits your needs. After selecting a template, click on Use Template to start customizing. Begin by editing the headline to clearly convey the purpose of your landing page. Next, customize the subheadline to provide additional context or value. Click on the Image section to upload a relevant photo or illustration. Adjust the layout and colors to match your branding preferences. Scroll down to the Form section to start collecting email addresses. Edit the form fields to ensure you gather the necessary information from your visitors. You can customize the button text to encourage signups, such as Join Now or Get Started. Set up the success message that will appear after. Navigate to the Settings tab to configure additional options for your landing page. Here, set your page title and optional SEO description to enhance search visibility. Choose whether to enable or disable the ConvertKit branding. You can also set up redirect settings to send users to a specific URL after submission. Once everything is configured, click on the Save button to save your changes. To publish your landing page, click on the Publish button. A unique URL will be generated for your landing page. Copy this URL to share it across your marketing channels. To track the performance of your landing page, monitor the analytics provided by ConvertKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.